interesting work that was done years ago by a dentist named Fonder. He wrote a book called The Dental Physician, in which he wrote about all the different ways in which a bad bite could cause stress in the body. He took full spine x-rays of patients and would see patients who had scoliosis, where there's a very clear curvature of the spine. He would then treat them by building up their bite to even out the fillings on both sides of the body. Take a full spine x-ray again, and you'd see the spine straightened out. This is occurring because all the muscles of the body are working in concert. When I went through my training as a dentist, and same for physicians, we dissect the body and we name the muscles and give them different names because of where they are in the body, the different things that they're responsible for. But there is no separateness of the muscles in the body, nor any really separateness of body parts. So when the mouth is not properly balanced and aligned, the musculature, the nervous system of the body is in a reactive state, creating a higher level of stress within the body. So our autonomic nervous system, which is regulating body functions, gets disturbed by this.